How are you doing today, guys? My name is David, and I'm gonna talk to you about how to be a successful trader or investor in the stock market in 2026. It's a tough thing to do, but let's try to do that together. Couple rules that I never pass on. I'm gonna talk to you about 5 rules. I'm gonna give you free gift in the end of this video, and I will teach you how to use AI for investing or for trading. So let's dive in, guys. How are you doing today? How you survive this tough day in the market? We got the S&P going down, we got the Nasdaq going down, we got a fear and greed on 37, 1% in the S&P, Dow got 0.077, Nasdaq got 1.5% down, Russell is actually better, I didn't even recognize it today. We got some gainers, we got some losers, we got some top 5 that got a lot of volume. The most active is the ones that everyone trading. As you know, the cheap markets, the semiconductors doing for us a lot of issues recently, so we're gonna need to see how we're gonna finish with that. I have a feeling maybe Monday we're gonna get a switch in the way that I'm not sure about. So let's start with, this is not a financial advice and I'm not an advisor. I'm just gonna talk to you about my personal experience and about what I'm thinking. This is only what I'm thinking. So Analytick AI as well is not a financial advice. This is a platform I'm using and I'm part of. I'm the SEO and I'm with a big team developing here a tool that we're gonna help you to trade and invest with AI. Basically, what is investing? Investing and trading is a set of rules that you need to follow, mostly discipline. What happened recently in these days, you can feel the market volatility, it's crazy. I would like to give you a couple advices. Stay to the end of the video and I promise you're gonna enjoy it so much that you're gonna come back and use the platform as well. So the number one rule is never change your stop loss. These rules I'm giving out of my personal experience. I am trading for the last 14 years and I believe that in order to be a successful trader, you must to be disciplined. I have to tell you the truth. I'm not the best trader and that's why I'm not trading too much. I'm investing mostly in companies that I believe. Sometimes I do mistakes, sometimes I do well. I'm here to teach you and we develop Analytick AI in order to help you guys to not do the mistakes that most of the people do. If you're a beginner in the stock market, please make sure to follow us and we're gonna make sure to help you to make it as much as possible. So here you can see the market. Most active trades, let's choose one. Even Nvidia go crazy, Intel got crazy, the chip is insane. Let's choose one for the example. SpaceX today with the crazy moves. Take a look what it moves. $30, $130, go down to 123. You need to make sure that you not place a stop loss and move it. That's the results. That's exactly the results. That's the number one rule. Number 2, if you're not sure about your position, don't take it. For example, a lot of people take position here, take position here. I will not recommend you to take position when you're not sure about a setup. Number 2, don't trade with feeling. Many people involve a lot of feeling when they trade or invest. I believe in that company. I want this company to succeed. They have this product. For example, Tesla. A lot of people believe in the company so much and they don't place a stop loss. They experience huge moves. They experience the move to up, the move to down, and they still in the same place. Take a look, March 26. We are 4 months ago. You got the same investment. Why you need to go down all the way or go up all the way? So don't choose your companies only with emotionals. Make sure that you make a really good research about the company you're investing and have a stop loss, because if it's market conditions, recently Trump tweets can move the market, so you don't gonna get affected. You see, here we still get a bearish prediction. This is Analytick AI. So the first thing you need to do is to run AI analysis. You let the engine to think. You can talk with a platform, with a model, to ask questions if you want to make sure something in the company. As you look on the chart here, it's just AI prediction. Is a projected range. I believe that the AI know a lot, but not enough to decide for you. You need to read all the information. You need to take the decision by yourself. Technical analysis, talking about the technical. Fundamental analysis, talking about the company, about the reports. With Analytick AI, we can see also the reports here, the SEC reports, the financials. Here we're gonna see the balance sheet, how much equity the company have, the income statement, the cash flow for any time frame you need, as well the short interest to the same company and analyst rating. My number one advice is not to give too much meaning to the analyst rating. Usually they change the rating as the stock moves, so this is good but not enough. We have a community that we are trying to improve, so that's something that's gonna get built slowly, and we're gonna start to talk to each other with questions and advices. As of now, we are just posting some news, and we're looking for you guys to start to get more involved. This is for free. You can try it out for free one time a day, and then if you like it, $20 for every month is the basic plan, good enough for the beginner. Guys, you don't need too much in order to take a good decision. You just need to be patient. So this is the number three rule. Patient is the key. Don't take trade as a rush. Plan it ahead of time. If the trade achieve your entry point, then get into the trade. Many traders just act. They don't think before they place an order. And worse than this, they cannot sell the position. They are too connected. The stock go up, and you're in the position and you cannot sell the stock. Why you do that? It's your money. You don't need to go with the market up and down. Make sure that you read the support and resistance. Recently we added to the Pro chart. You can see here the AI target, low and high. This is for 1 year. As well, we're gonna have it for 1 month, 5 days. We can play with the chart candles here. The Pro mode is a little bit more comfortable for bigger screens, and the small chart is a little bit better for mobile. In our watch list, I will recommend you to set up alerts, because then you're gonna make sure that you focus on big moves. If you want to get a dip, set up an alert for more than 8%. That's my recommendation. You can get it in your app. If you want to invest in the company for long term, I will recommend you to make sure that you see if analysts change the rating for your invest, like for the stock that you're following. If the insiders selling a lot of stocks, you can get it to the app or to the email. And if the institutions buying or selling. The institutions buy or sells is a little bit with delay. This is the stock market. We cannot reach this information after they already do it. It's every quarter they release it, but still is giving a lot of meaning. You're gonna find out that when you're gonna have your stock, a lot of institutions that adding up and the increase in their position, your stock gonna move up. I'm not sure why right now the data is not open, because this stock is very new. Let's have, for example, Nvidia. Any stock that you're gonna try is gonna be information, but this stock, I don't know why I open it. It's just it just has the IPO right now. So here you can see they close their position, they decrease their position, they increase their position. Of course, Vanguard really believe the companies that do AI. You can see the dates, you can see how many insiders buying or selling. Big companies, there is not too much buying. And for example, we got Nike stock that have a lot of insider buy, and you can see that the stock is holding even though the market is selling off. We got it the $40, but the market sell off didn't affect Nike. Guess what? The SEO of Nike just bought over $1 million of investing. Sorry, this is Vanguard, I'm sorry. The SEO of Apple and the SEO of Nike bought over $1 million of stocks in $42. So you can guess why the stock didn't go down more than $40 per stock. They have great dividend, by the way. So if you're looking for long-term investment, this is maybe gonna be a good stock. But again, this is not a recommendation. This is just my personal advice, and this is things that I'm doing with a stop loss, of course. Make sure that you protect yourself, you protect your account. Let's go to the last two advices for today. I want to tell you the amount of margin calls that I got. I cannot explain to you how many years ago. Today I'm not trading so much and I'm not taking risk like I used to do. I made a lot of money, but I lost a lot of money because of margin. Don't do margin if you cannot handle the profits or the loss. Many people get nervous even when they get the profits. They lock it too quickly. Believe me, it's not for every person. You don't want to do leverage when you don't feel comfortable with a small amount first. So first of all, start with $1,000, $2,000. I'm not sure how much is going to be affected your account, maybe even $100. It's going to be the right amount for you. In order to make sure that you have the muscles to do that, if it's investing, you need to make sure that you can hold your stock for some time. Again, I will recommend you to place a stop loss. Don't go down with your stocks. If there is a bear market, you don't want to go down. If there is a bull market and you're in long position, maybe you're going to feel more comfortable to stay for long term. So let's go to the fifth one. The fifth one for today gonna be use AI. AI know better than us. I mean, if we're gonna study and be disciplined and we're gonna follow our rules, we're probably gonna be legends. We're gonna make so much money. AI is a computer. They don't have any feeling. This is why you should at least discuss or read what the AI has to say. What do you have to lose? They research for you. The AI research for you. We inject a lot of information that we actually collect for over a year. We have in the app, it's a system that improving himself based on the predictions and the results that we got actually. This is something that you cannot ignore. The AI is here. 2026, not just the AI stocks that going up. The AI tools that you can use can change the trading environment for you. So do for yourself a favor. Don't be alone. You need to have something to discuss with. Even if it's just a robot, an AI tool that's gonna help you to decide better, you're gonna take the decision. So I promise you a free gift. I would like to give you free 1 month. We give it to a limited time, only for 3 months, until we're gonna finish our release. We are working so hard about this platform to release it to the App Store, and then we're gonna start to gain up the momentum. Give me a like, share with me if you like it, share with me if you want me to do anything different or improve. I would love to get better and better for the next video. And I would like to give you a lot of value with this video. Share it to your friends because this platform gonna change the industry of investing soon. Follow us and I'm looking forward to see you. Thank you very much, guys.